Welcome. In front of me is a REALME6i, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your SD card to the device and vice versa. And to get started, you will want to open up some kind of file application. So let me quickly find it here and see how it is exactly called. Looks like right here, File Manager. So once you open it up, allow access to storage and all that stuff that it will want. And we should see your two storages right at the bottom right here. So we have the phone storage and the SD card. Now I will start with the phone storage because number one, it's going to have more folders, and number two, I think the files that I want to use are already here. So before I find my files, I'll quickly go over a couple of folders that might be important to you. And that would be the first one, which is DCIM right here. That folder will contain pictures, videos, and screenshots captured with the device. And then below that we have Downloads folder, which will contain, well, downloaded files that you have downloaded either through email, your browser, or whatever the case may be. And that includes all kinds of files, so that could be pictures, videos as well, applications, as you can see, documents, anything like that. Now going to the pictures and videos, it will contain only those pictures and videos that you have downloaded instead of the ones that I have captured. The captured ones using the device are always in the DCIM. Now going back, we have additional folder. Actually, we don't, because pictures is empty. Screenshots get saved to DCIM, so that was apparently a ruse. So yeah, I guess those are the two important folders. Now rest of them, as you can see, there's a bunch of other folders, but to be honest, usually they're just empty. So rarely do you find an app that will save to them. So if you can't find your files, you can look for them in those folders, but there's a little chance that you will find it in there. So anyway, once you find your files, which I'll be using screenshots as an example for this, once you find those, you want to select your files, and you do so by simply holding it. As you can see, it gives you this check mark. We'll do that once more, but from the other side. You can see once you hold it for a second or so, it becomes checked, and from there you can tap on additional files to select more. So once you have your files selected, you have these options at the bottom. So you have copy or move. You can select whichever one you want. I'm gonna go with a move option right here. And once you choose one of those, no matter which one, you will get this pop-up here. So select folder, and you can move them to either the phone, which they are already on the phone, so just move it to a different location, or SD card, which that will mean that I'm moving them to a completely different storage. And I'm gonna select the SD right here. It looks like the SD card here has basically all the folders just as the phone, but difference is, oops, those will be completely empty, and I just kind of closed it off. So let me redo that. There we go. So from here, I can move it right here to the SD card. I can tap on a plus to create a new folder. I can then name it whatever I want and move it into it. But to be honest, I'm not going to bother with it. I'm just going to move it straight to the SD. And now going back to the card, you'll be able to see those files right at the bottom. And that is how you move or copy any kind of file from one place to another. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.